we are assembling the mason jar box. I haven't done a new one of these in a while, but I thought this looked really cute for a little lemonade. I'm gonna real quickly mention that there are pieces in the file for both the front and the back. So there's 4 lemon slices, 6 ice cubes, 2 lids. I'm only going to decorate the front panel for the video. So I'm going to start by putting my lemon together. I'm going to put together the lemonade front. Okay. And you just want to kind of decide how you want your pieces to go, if you want to use them all. There we are. For your lid, you just glue this center piece, or glue this piece in the center, I should say. And now let's put our box together. So you're just going to fold it on all the score lines. Okay, so you've got straight edges to follow here. Your panel pieces round off your bottom corners. So I'm going to just put glue here on this one side where I'm going to start. Getting that one to anchor down first. There we go. Now I'm gonna do this side. You just kind of squeeze. Just make sure you've got your edges lined up good. Then you can flip it over and use your table to push it down. There we are. I'm just going to cut this kind of across that corner a little bit because that is going to hang over. I'm going to use my table again to make sure I'm lined up to the bottom and not hanging over. There we go. Then you would do the same with the back. Now you don't have to decorate the pieces in the back, but if you do, you know, you've got it's two-sided, it doesn't matter which way you use it. You want to put on your jar lid. How fun would these be to use as a treat for like a picnic? So summery. So I'm using a glittery pipe cleaner here as my handle. And there you have it, the lemonade mason jar. Thank you for joining me.